Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to convert PDF to Word document. Open your favorite browser. Go to ilovepdf.com. Click on PDF to Word icon. Click on Select PDF file, or you can drag and drop the PDF file here. Select the PDF file you want to convert. Click Open. In the right sidebar, you can find two options: No OCR and OCR. Select OCR only if it is scanned PDF, otherwise select No OCR. Now click on Convert to Word button. Wait for few seconds. That's it, your PDF has been converted to an editable Word document. Click on the downloaded file to view it. This is how you can convert PDF to Word document. As you can see, you can easily edit this document and make the necessary changes. Thank you for watching.